Welcome to Daily Writing Journal. Have you wondered how writing every day can help you become more creative, confident, and even better at expressing your thought? Let's find out. Follow along with the video and write your own story. Let's begin. This episode is called Summer Adventures, Part 1, The Pre-Write, where we brainstorm and plan out our story. Today's journal topic is called Summer Adventures. You're a travel journalist, and it's your job to share your exciting summer ventures with the world. Where did you go, and what did you do? Who went along with you? Share your amazing summer memories and adventures. I need to choose a summer activity to write about. I did so many fun things this summer, but I want to write about something that was the most memorable. I'm going to write about my trip to Hawaii. What are you going to write about? But before I can start my paragraph, I need to plan and organize my thoughts. Let's go to the creative space to write them down. First, I'm going to think of my most memorable moments and activities from my trip. You can jot down 2, 3, or 4 things. I'm going to write down 3. Once I have done that, I will write down a few more details about each activity. This will help me when I start writing my paragraphs. Each activity will be a paragraph in my story. Well done! The pre-write is finished. We've brainstormed and planned out our story. We're ready to write. Check out our next episode, Summer Adventures, Part 2, The Introduction. Great job, everyone! If you would like a copy of the writing journal or digital download to print, follow the link below to purchase the item. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.